Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be making a craw that boil. But first I'm gonna catch a few crawfish.
So I turned on the stove and I put on a pot with water and in a bit I'm gonna put in some spices in the water. I'm gonna add some seasoning. First I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna take a bit and I'm gonna add. Now I'm gonna take some Old Bay and add it in. So now I'm gonna add in some corn. So I'm gonna add 4 small pieces. I cut them into these small pieces. Be careful, the water will splash and it's boiling hot. So add them carefully. So I'm gonna add 1 more piece, 2 more pieces, and I'm gonna add the last piece. And then in a few minutes I'm gonna add the crawfish. I'm gonna let the corn cook in there for like 20 minutes and then I'm gonna add the crawfish in there. You don't need to like spin it around, it's gonna be good like that. So now I'm gonna add the crawfish. So I'm gonna add all of them in. I caught about 8 crawfish today. Now I'm gonna mix them a bit around. They sink down, but it's still fun. I'm gonna just mix them a bit. You don't need to mix them a lot. So after they turn red, I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'm gonna take the corn and crawfish out. Now I'm gonna take them out of the pot. I have a separate pot to put them in. I'm gonna take both the corn and crawfish out. It's pretty hard to take them out. So now I'm gonna eat the corn. So first I'm gonna try the corn. It's so good. It's also pretty spicy from the spicy seasonings I added. The perfect corn. So now I'm gonna eat the crawfish. I'm gonna grab one and I'm gonna just spin the tail off. Now I'm gonna just take the shell off. So I'm gonna take the shell. I'm gonna take it off the meat. Make sure you don't keep any shell on the meat because it's gonna be bad. So I cleaned one and now I'm gonna try the crawfish. It's very good. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe.